Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining. Thank you very much. So, angifuna ukuchitha futhi nesikhathi. Thank you for coming. Thank you for clicking and ukutitling ngizobhala kahle ukuthi them bullies come here. I want them bullies, okay? Because guys, nami ngiyakwazi ukuba ibully ne. Ngiyakwazi ukuba ibully, but the sad thing is that I have a channel to run. Angwazi ke ukungaba busy ngibulishana nabantu laphana on the comment section and all that. So kungcono ngalendlela mangabe ngiza ngevideo mhlawumbe nalo ibhuli uzongizwa ngoba guys ngiyakhathala ukuthi ngichaze into eyodwa, right? But kubalekile ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyenze le video ngoba sometimes kuba nabantu abasha mhlawumbe ngumZulu omusha uyaqala ukufika mhlawumbe laba afika kudala sebangi-understand abaze bangishiya nginje. Then when uyafika namhlanje awungazi mangikhuluma bese ucabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma isiZulu sakho. Kukhona ukuthi mhlawumbe ngazwakala njengomZulu kodwa angiyena umZulu, right? And lokho sengikhulume kaningi bafethu angiyena umZulu ngingumndebele. And kulaba abanokufika ngama corrections nikuthi ngama corrections niyathanda ukucorrecta isindebele nisicorrectele esizulwini. Like mangikhuluma isindebele busu uyafika ucorrect ukuthi wena isiZulu asisho kanjalo. Kanjani ngoba kahle kade bengikhulume isindebele. So you can't correct that. Omunye nomunye umuntu bafethu proud ngelanguage yakhe. Ngumndebele, I'm proud for isindebele. UngumZulu you are proud of isiZulu sakho. Umpedi nayo proud ngesipedi sakho. Umvende nayo proud ngesivenda sakhe. Right? So why is it that wena njengomZulu ufuna ukuzocorrecta isindebele? Like it doesn't make any sense to me. So ngisho kaningi on this channel ngikhuluma isindebele kungenzeka ngilahlele isiZulu ngoba vele namaZulu nala ngihleli khona ngiphila namaZulu mina la ngikhona manje khona umZulu, right? Kungenzeka uthola ukuthi manje sengiyafaka lento ngoba vele into engikhuluma every day, but angisuke ngingakhuluma isiZulu bese siyangena ke kodwa sona ngizothini ngoba vele abantu engiphila nabo ngiphila nabapeti mina ngiphila namavenda guys lesihleli khona siphila singabantu nje abamnyama sibaningi, right? Kukhona umZulu, kukhona umpedi, kukhona umSuthu, kukhona umTswana, kukhona umNdebele, kukhona umShona, sihlangene. Luckily la ngikhona mina bekho abafana nawe ke Mr or Mrs Bully, right? When you are here on social media to come and bully abanye abantu ngoba ufuna bakukhuluma isiZulu. Why is it that ufuna abantu bakukhuluma isiZulu bengawona amaZulu? Ayisebenzi kanjalo bafethu. Angeke mina ngikwazi ukuhlala lana ngizama ukukhuluma isiZulu, I can't. Ngoba ngiyena umZulu. Kusekungenzeka like sibe khona la ngoba ngisilahlele cause vele mina kahle ngifuna abalandeli abangamaZulu. Ngifuna abalandeli abangamaZulu, ngifuna abalandeli abangama South Africans, ngifuna abalandeli abangama Zimbabweans, yes of course, ngifuna beSuthu, ngifuna abaTswana. Mina ngifuna wonke umlandeli obuya in each and every country. Nama Nigeria ngisuke ngibe nawo, namaNdiya akhona, right? That's why ngine channel ekuthi ngisebenzisa isingisi khona ukwenzela ukuthi ama friends wama Nigeria naseNdiya at least they are accommodated, right? So kule channel ngabona ukuthi nginabanye abalandeli abahlushwa isilungu yazi babethini kimi, why are you using isiZulu ilona isingisi, why are you speaking English ntontoni. Ngabona ukuthi ayicha ngcono ke manje ngize njani ngikhuluma ilanguage yami kule channel noma kuzozwa kunesizulu phakathi. Number 1 isindebele nesizulu vele guys kuyahambisana. Ngikhathele ke mina manje uma ungumZulu ungazi ukuthi isizulu sakho sihambisana nesindebele, hayi angisakwazi mina nifunani bafethu. Sizokhuluma kanjani? Kumele sikhulume kanjani? You are here correcting umndebele uthi akhulume isiZulu. Njani? You can't turn me to umZulu. Angeke kwazi ukungishintsha ngibe ngumZulu. Ngizohlezi ngumndebele. Of course isindebele sami ngizothi angekwazi ukungishintsha. But ngesizulu zothi angekwazi ukungishintsha. Ikhona lento ukuthi isindebele nesizulu it's similar but kukhona nje la ngathi kuyafana khona but akhona kufani. So into engizondayo ukuthi umZulu ebesezala ezongicorrecta ethi isiZulu asithi. Angizange ngathi ngikhuluma isiZulu, right? Yo lento engizondayo. Ufika la uzongicorrecta uthi isiZulu asithi, why umosha isiZulu? Number 1 bengakhuluma sona isiZulu sakho. Mhlambe yes ngingazwakala ngathi ngikhuluma isiZulu siye sangena lapha like ngishilo ukuthi ngiphila nabantu. But bengakhuluma sona number 1. So if you are proud of your language, you must know ukuthi abanye abantu they are proud of their languages. And number 2, into nithi nina why ngingakhuluma izindaba zaseZimbabwe ngikhuluma ezala eSouth Africa. Number 1 impilo eSouth Africa. Number 2 mangakhuluma izindaba zaseZimbabwe ngeke uzubuye wena. Angithi mina ngifuna wena. Ngifuna wonke umZulu, umSuthu, umTswana, umpedi. Mina on my channel I want everybody. My channel is open for everyone. Angina tribalism mina nginalutho nje la. Ngifuna nje everyone. That's why ngikhuluma indaba zaseSouth Africa ngiyazi ukuthi kuzoba nabo bonke abantu abaphila la eSouth Africa. Manje mangagxile kutheni ngikhuluma indaba zasezimi angeke ngibe nabo abalandeli mina ngeke ngiwathola wonke lama subscribers nama viewers and all that. kuzoba khona laba basezimi abayikuthi ba-understanda indaba sasezimi nabantu basezimi. Angifuni lokho. I want everybody. That's why ngikhulumeza la South Africa. I hope uyaphenduleka-ke. I hope uyaphenduleka. Angithi nithi khulumeza kini ezaseZimbabwe. Angifuni ukukhulumeza kithi ezaseZimbabwe. Ingakho ke ngikhulumeza la. And the more niloko ningibhulisha nithi khulumeza kini ezaseZimbabwe, the more you make me to talk ezala eMzansi. The more niba ngamabhuli kanje, the more ke mina ngiqhubeke. Yabona ke mawubhizi ubhulisha, the more ke. Guys, nami I'm a bully. I'm a bully mangifuna. But the problem is I have a channel to run. I can't be bullying people around. I can't be bullying abalandeli. I can't do that. Kuzomela manje lokho ngiyithobile kuma comments wena bolile. Mele ngiyithobe ke manje. Ngiloko ngithi hi guys this and that. Hi guys ngiyithobe nani ngibhulisha. If you give me kak nama I can give you kak. But manje kumele ngirespect. You cannot correct umndebele umcorrectele isizulwini uthi isizulu asithi. Angikhulumanga isizulu bengikhuluma isindebele. Right? So manje why you want to ungicorrect acting angikhulume isizulu? Why do you want to pull me into talking your language? Kasi ngitshelile even nganifakela even ama lokungena ama messages lapho ngawaphina on the comments ngafaka even on my community post. Ukuthi if you want isizulu sangempela guys maningi ama colleagues wamlana bakhuluma isizulu bakhuluma sona nami ngiyabalandela. That's why nami sometimes isizulu sigcina ke siba khona la enkulumeni yami ngoba ngiyabalandela ke la ama colleagues wami bakhuluma isizulu ke leso ke sangakini 100% sona sangakini ke bayasikhuluma hamba khona guys akekho umuntu obiziwe akekho umuntu omenyiwe futhi akekho umuntu ophoqiwe nje ukuthi ibakamgosi nophilile. Yeah, somewhere else kunamazulu bakhuluma isizulu bakhuluma sona leso sifunayo maybe futhi benze the same topic le ngiyenzile so wena mangabe ufuna isizulu ke hamba kubo ke ngoba kimi ngizothola isizulu uzothola isindebele. You understand? Kimi uzothola isindebele. So manje why uzalana uzothi isizulu asithi isizulu sikabani sakho in my channel angeke ngizwe ngawe mntaka ke that's bad. Unfortunately for you angeke ngizwe ngawe. Futhi nje angeke ngizwe ngawe nje tangikhuluma esaseZimbabwe. On my channel I post what I want. Ngiyakwazi ukuposta indaba zeLesotho, ngiyakwazi ukuposta ezeMelika, ngiyakwazi ukuposta ezakuphi. Izindaba guys, this is internet. Akuna ukuthi ukhuluma ezaseZim noma ukhuluma ezaSouth Africa, ukhuluma noma ezakuphi. Anything is on social media ngikuthatha la on the internet nami ngikhulume ngako ngikuposte. Nguthola futhi ngithanda ke lezi zesizulu ngoba why sihambisana ke nolimi lwami oluyisindebele. Khona ke nguthandayo. That's why ngizodonsa nina ke ngidonse nina ke nizobuka ngiyawathola lawo. Cabanga nje mase ngikhuluma isishona or ngakhuluma isikhala or ngakhuluma something la. Angizukubathola abantu because they don't understand that. So that's why mina ke ngifuna ukugxila kulento engiyazi ukuthi izothola abantu abala. Umsuthu uzoba khona, umpeli abe khona, umvinda abe khona, umshangana abe khona. You know what I mean? So why do you want ekhulumeza kini ezaseZimbabwe ngamalimi? Like really? Zimbabwe akhuluma ezaseZimbabwe. Like seriously? Are you for real? This is internet. I can speak anything. Ngiposta anything. Ngaposta umongameli waseMelika, ngaposta waseLesotho, ngaposta as long as I'm being respectful to abantu abadala ngiposte ke ngendlela ehloniphekile ngikhulume kahle guys ngoba ngisuke ngikhuluma ngestory udaba okuthiwa lwenzekile. Ngiluposte nami on my channel ngikhulume ilanguage yami. Hayi eyakho. So wena uma ufune yakho hamba kulabo abakhulume yakho ilanguage. Uyeke ukuza la uzongibhedela mina ngona umbhede ke ambhedelwa ke bafethu. Ngikhuluma isindebele ngikhuluma isizulu, right? Esindebeleni nathi siyakhuluma. Sikhuluma futhi ke njengawe. Sikhuluma kanje njengoba ngikhuluma. Isindebele sengisikhuluma mina angikafike esizulwini. Angikakhulumi isizulu njengamanje saloko ngikhuluma isindebele. So can you tell ukuthi it's similar? But angikhuluma ngeyakho ilanguage. Stop coming here to correct ezinye izindaba. Utheba mkuka, utheba of course ngisho kanjalo. Ngetho nizothi bamphakamise or wona uzothini anginandaba naloko I wasn't talking your language. And kukhona ukuthi mangikhuluma ama languages ngiwamixe because mina I talk a lot of languages. Kukhona ukuthi ayahlangana noma ngingafuni ukuthi ahlangane. Ngisathi ngikhuluma iSpedi ngizwe ngikhuluma neSotho. Kuyahlangana vele because I'm talking, right? And ngoba lawo ma languages ngiyawazi nabantu engihleli nabo sometimes nokuthi mangikhuluma noMpedi ngizwe sengathi sengikhuluma enye into ke manje ngathi sengifakene kanti ke sengifake isishona noma sengifakene because manje ngikhuluma so many languages. So noma sengizala sometimes ukhona ukuthi ama languages ami ayahlangana. What will I do ngoba siphila sibaningi bafowethu ama languages awahlanganisa. Ilanga liyoshona nje sobe sengikhuluma amanye languages mina. Mangiphuma la ngihlangana noMpedi ngihlangana nechomi yami yomvenda ngihlangana nomunye nje omndebele ngihlangana nomunye omshona ngihlangana sengikhuluma how many languages ilanga liyoshona bafethu. So uma khona ama languages ngiwamixa, stop coming here to be a teacher correcting. I'm up to here. I'm tired. Umzulu nje ofuna isiZulu kodwa akhona ama channels esiZulu. Bakhuluma isiZulu ke laba bahlanganisi bona ngithi bakhuluma isiZulu. Now go there. Why are you here? Stop being a bully. Asizalanga wena la on the internet. Mina nga YouTube angizalanga wena ke mdaka ba. I'm posting videos for everyone. Noma ngumuntu oyipi imhlobo la kukhuluma yipi language, I'm posting for you. Lana ngathi ngoba abantu bathi ichannel yami liyana ngesingisi, bakhona bakhala ngesingisi. Ngase ngithi okay, ithi ngikhulume ke ilanguage yami ngibe nama channels amabili. Ngizokhuluma isingisi ngale, ngizokhuluma ke isindebele ngapha. Yona into ebengizama ukuyenza bafethu. Manje ngiattracta namaZulu ke la. Manje abasezi kahle abanye babo, not everyone of course. That's why ngizothi bullies on my title. Ngifuna wona lama bully. Ngi-addressa wona ama bullies. If you know you've come to my channel guys, i-channel yami iyabathola abantu abangamaZulu kakhulu, bafika ngempela abanye they very respectful ngoba bayazi ukuthi angena umZulu, babuke ba comment bazihambele. Ama bully wona azoshiya nje i-comment ebhedayo. Mina ungangibhedele ngoba ngona ubhede wakho, right? Ngiyakwazi ngakubhedela, but the thing is I have to be respectful because YouTube community guidelines, right? So kumele hlale ngithobela nina njalo nje ningibhedela. Ngikhuluma isindebele mina. Ngingumndebele ngizokhuluma isindebele and angizokuposta indaba zaseZimbabwe kuphela. Ngizoposta ama videos abantu bonke. Any drama engiyibonayo on social media, noma i-news akuyona i-drama ke, anything engiyibonayo and ngiyafuna ukuyiposta ngizoyiposta. Angeke ngizwe ngawe ke mdaka baba. Angeke ngizwe ngawe ke, unfortunately for you. So ungezilana ngama comment abhedayo uzothi isiZulu asisho kanjalo. IsiZulu sikabani esakho? Create your own channel, speak isiZulu there. Sizoza ke thina sizokusupport. Thina ke we are not bullies. I'm a bully if I want, but I cannot go around kuma channels wabantu ngibabullish. I don't do that. Kodwa ma uyibully ke I can respond in a very bullish way. Hayi kaze angeke ngihlale ngi-address abantu ukuthi angikhuluma isiZulu, ngikhuluma isindebele. Ngibele lokhu ngisho into eyi-1 animameli ngokoniza uthe wangathi akakhuluma ezakho beZimbabwe, akakhuluma ngikhuluma into engiyifunayo la, ngiphosta into engiyifunayo la. This is my channel. If ungafuni, you are free to go. Just leave, vacate yourself, just delete yourself from here. Uhambe uye kuma channels la kukhulunywa khona isiZulu and be comfortable there because that's the language that you want. Lana ke bazoba khona ke abangafani nawe, abangona amabully, abangona ama tribalist, bazoba khona lana babuke bayazi ukuthi uphilile ngumndebele vela, ngeke akhuluma isiZulu esi 100% again umZulu. They will understand that and they will go. Bazoshiya futhi bakhona abantu uyabona ba commenta kahle kanjani, bayazi ukuthi angena umZulu mina kodwa baya commenta nje based on the video, right? Aba comment based on my language or based on my channel or based on my nationality, no, ba commenta based on what I posted. So when ucabanga ukuthi ubani ngaphansi kwemthunzi esihlahla selemon, ayisuka. And anyways guys, I'm addressing ama bullies. If you are not one of those people, please do not worry. I'm just here for those who think they are better than everyone when they are not. Uthi ambheka umuntu akonthode ngelinye nje irathanyana nje belicommentile la, umuntu okungamele nje kube siyam address sirathanyana phela sesingwe so. But we are here addressing those people ngoba asibaza sibabone, just comment. Rubona uru makhasa jwang lu bifile jwang darat. But anyways, I was addressing them bullies because ngikhathele yibo bafethu. Lokhu ngibatshela ngena umZulu ngikhathele ke manje. That's enough.